Welcome to the presentation on ERP and CRM implementation. Today we will walk through every essential step of this transformative journey. Implementing these systems is about revolutionizing how your organization operates. We will cover everything from initial assessment through ongoing optimization. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a comprehensive software platform. It brings together all essential business functions into one integrated system. Finance and HR and supply chain work from the same data source. No more disconnected spreadsheets or conflicting reports. When a sale is made, inventory updates automatically. Accounting records revenue instantly. Shipping gets notified immediately. This unified approach eliminates redundancies and reduces errors. Leadership gets accurate real-time visibility. ERP systems scale with your business. For any modern enterprise these days, ERP is essential. CRM is the acronym for Customer Relationship Management. While the ERP focuses internally, CRM focuses on the external customer relationships. A CRM system captures every customer interaction, phone calls and emails and purchases and support requests. By centralizing this information, the sales teams personalize their pitches. Marketing targets the right audiences. Support resolves issues faster with full context. This creates exceptional personalized customer experiences. When customers feel valued, they stay longer and buy more. In today's landscape, the CRM is your strategic advantage. Think of CRM as your organization's memory for customers. Why implementing both ERP and CRM instead of just one? The answer is synergy. When these systems work together, capabilities multiply. Imagine a sales representative closing a deal in the CRM. That order automatically flows to the ERP for inventory allocation, production scheduling, and invoicing happen automatically. Customer purchase history from the ERP enriches the CRM profile. This enables hyper-personalized marketing and proactive support. Seamless data exchange eliminates manual re-entry. It reduces errors and accelerates processes. Departments collaborate with shared visibility. The result is faster order-to-cash cycles, more accurate forecasting, and consistent customer interactions. That is how you win in today's market. Before we explore each step, let us overview our implementation roadmap. We have structured this journey into 15 logical sequential phases. We begin with understanding your unique needs, then we move through software selection and team building, data preparation and system configuration, and integration follow. Training and testing and deployment come next. The journey continues after go live with validation and review. Support and monitoring and improvement complete the cycle. Think of this as a marathon, not a sprint. Each phase prepares the ground for the next. Success depends on involving stakeholders from every affected department. Their insights shape requirements, their buy-in drives adoption, their feedback refines outcomes. Embrace patience and invest in thorough planning. Let us begin with phase 1. That is needs assessment. Every successful implementation starts with a fundamental question: why? Do not jump to solutions before understanding your problems. Convene workshops with department heads and frontline staff. Identify pain points together. Is the month-end closing taking too long? Are sales lead falling through the cracks? Is customer support overwhelmed by repetitive queries? Document these challenges specifically. Reduce invoice processing time by 40% is better than just improve finance. Capture both functional needs and strategic goals. Involve end users early. Their daily realities reveal requirements. This needs assessment becomes your North Star. It guides software selection and configuration decisions. Skipping this step risks implementing a system that does not solve real problems. Invest time here, it pays exponential dividends later. Once you have identified the needs, translate them into SMART goals. SMART is the acronym for SMART is the acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Specific means precisely defining what you want to accomplish. Measurable ensures you can track progress with the data. Achievable keeps goals realistic given resources and time constraints. Relevant ties each goal to strategic business outcomes. Time-bound sets deadlines that create urgency. Document these goals formally and socialize them across the organization. When tough decisions arise during implementation, refer back to these goals. They become your decision-making compass. Post-implementation, they are your yardstick for measuring ROI. Clear goals transform a technical project into a business transformation. Scoping is where many projects succeed or fail. You must specifically define what is in scope and what is out. In project management generally, whatever is not in the scope is not whatever is not mentioned in the scope is not to be done. Will you implement ERP or finance and supply chain first? Will the CRM cover sales only initially? Things like these are defined in the scope. Map the specific processes each phase will address. Document these boundaries in a formal scope statement. Crucially, guard against scope creep. Scope creep is like small items that keep getting added to the scope when they're not so important. This is the gradual addition of just one more feature that relays all of the timelines. When new feature requests emerge, evaluate them against your SMART goals. Does this align? Is it critical for phase 1 or can it wait? A well-scoped project is achievable. An over-scoped one becomes chaotic. Remember, you can always expand in later phases. Starting focused builds momentum and demonstrate quick wins. Take time to scope meticulously. It is your project's foundation. With clear needs and scope, begin researching software solutions. The ERP and CRM markets have a lot of vendors, from enterprise giants to agile cloud providers. Do not just chase the brand names. Evaluate based on your specific requirements. Create a comparison matrix with must-have features. List the nice-to-have features and capabilities and integration needs. Read the independent reviews. Study case studies from organizations similar to yours. Request demos focused on your key workflows. Shortlist 3 to 5 solutions that align with your goals. The best software fits your processes and culture and growth. Involve your future end users in the evaluations. Their adoption is critical to success. This research phase prevents costly mismatches later. When evaluating shortlisted solutions, apply rigorous criteria. First is scalability. Can the system handle your projected growth? Avoid solutions that will require replacement as you expand. Second, integration capabilities. Your new ERP or CRM must exchange data seamlessly. Ask about APIs and pre-built connectors and middleware support. Third is usability. If the interface is clunky, user adoption will suffer. Request hands-on trials with your actual workflows. Fourth, total cost of ownership. Look beyond licensing fees. Include implementation, services, and customization and training. A cheaper upfront option may cost more in the long term. Weigh these criteria according to your priorities. Document your evaluation transparently. This disciplined approach ensures you choose a platform that delivers lasting value. Thank you for taking the time to see this presentation. I hope you found it useful. Please provide feedback and reviews for the course. Thank you. Hello, my name is Howard Nihal, and I am the owner of Applied Technology Research Center and Remote Support LLC. I shall be explaining the Refer and Earn program. In this program, you get paid for every referral that is closed. Anyone can refer clients to us. The procedure is quite simple. All you need to do is send an email to referrals@atrc.net.pk. Inside the email, you mention your name and your contact, the company that you are referring, the name of the company, and the primary contact inside the company, and the challenge that the company is facing related to the topics that we manage, for example, energy, water, aviation, communication, export, or technology. You don't have to worry about the work because we do all the work, you're just referring the client. When the client pays us for the project, we pay you for referring the client. Some of the products and services that we offer are listed on our website. You're most welcome to see that. You can also contact us via call, SMS, or instant messaging. If you know of a business leader which is struggling with these type of topics, one intro could earn you $100 or more and help transform their business.